Easter makes us think of pastels or brights. Do you think of Mocha Mousse? It works and it's fabulous. Let me show you how it's done. The vessel, a ceramic dish from my shelves, filled it with the Oasis Midnight Foam that's secured in place using anchor pins to lock it down. Then for the bunny, also using the anchor pins, a glue dash, pull that off. I like to use 2 to make sure it's nice and secure. Then just placing that directly to the bottom of the bunny. And then nestling him right into place. I had one single bromeliad, and at first I thought I'd set it right down beside, but it covered up so much of the bunny, and I decided it looks kind of like an umbrella. So just giving it a cut and letting it come up over the top of the bunny, shading him. Then I can take sphagnum moss, harvested right here in the Pacific Northwest, and cover up my mechanics. And then for the orchids, taking a moment, cutting them down, and then just placing it into a water tube, which gives me a little more length to extend it in the design. Tucking in a bit of texture. Pieris picks up that same Mocha Mousse. You can see how grand that is. Letting it stretch out. Coming over to the opposite side, pulling the eye from one side to the other. Then the Mocha Mousse orchids, tucking them right down in, letting them extend out. Then remembering, orchids are social creatures, so turning their faces to look at each other as though they're having a conversation. To finish, more texture, more fun. Scabiosa pods, wonderful to add in. Bring your eye a little bit more forward in the front of the arrangement. And repeating that, shorter, shadowed behind. And then one tucked right into the center, pulling the eye through. A little bit of curly willow, giving it extension, coming out to the sides. Repeating that. Then pulling those up, tying them together, framing the entire arrangement, repeating it with additional pieces, pulling it in, tying it into a little knot, and then turning it, looking to see where else you might need more pieris, more scabiosa, or more willow. The recipe focused on Mocha Mousse flowers. Started with the 1 bromeliad, then 5 cymbidium orchid blooms, 5 scabiosa. Pieris, I used about 3 stems broken apart. You can see together, which is that little bit of curly willow, a very contemporary Easter design. When Pantone announced the 2025 Color of the Year Mocha Mousse, we all loved it and thought, oh, how perfect for autumn, September, the end of the year. But it actually is fabulous year-round. You can see Easter, a very sophisticated look. You'll find more creative inspiration and more Mocha Mousse on the website, flowerschool.com. If you have questions, you can reach us there. But for now, it's your turn. Gather your favorite blooms, create your arrangement. Be sure to take a picture, post it on social media, and hashtag Floral Design Institute. That way we all can see what you do as you do something you love.